Hello children, how are you? I hope you are doing well. আশা করি তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো। Today we will learn fill in the blanks with colors.
This is a picture of an apple. What is the color of the apple? The apple is red in color. I am sticking this picture here. Can you see? What is this? This is leaf. The color of the leaf is green. What will you say? The leaf is green. Now we will write the word green. You all know the spelling. G. Just see how I am writing. R double E Now put a dash. What will you write here? N. Yes. Green. The leaf is green. What is this? Which color is this? This is blue. Now we shall write the word blue. What is the spelling of blue? B L dash E. Now what shall we write here? We all know U. B L U E. Blue. Now we know the sky is blue. Next, now tell me, what is this? We all drink this. This is milk. It is a very useful thing. Milk is white. So now we will write white. You know the spelling. So let us write W H I dash E. Now what shall we put in the blank? Yes, T. Now WHITE, white.
আজ তাহলে এই পর্যন্তই থাক। আজকের এই পড়াটা বারবার পড়বে ও ক্লাস ওয়ার্ক কপিতে প্র্যাকটিস করবে। সবাই ভালো থেকো, সুস্থ থেকো আর অবশ্যই বাড়িতে থেকো।